Hi friends, here I am standing in Lafarge Cement Group, Lafarge Cement Company. As you can see, the transmission gearbox is over here. This is a pan conveyor. Behind this you can see a pan conveyor. The pan conveyor is a sort of conveyor which is taking material, which is conveying material, the hot material as well as the clinker material, which is a little bit, you can say this is not a soft material, but it is in the form of stones or some bigger or small lumps, something like that. And here is the motor. Just the thing which I am going to show you is just you can see this motor. The practical motors are some way like this, but it is way too dirty. Cement material is accumulated on. As you can see, these fins, they are full of material. And here is the motor end cover or the fan cover, and the fan is inside, and that's pulling air, pushing air in these fins, and then the air is cooling the motor. But at the moment it is not, I mean to say, the purpose is not fulfilling. Here is the VS coupling. This is also full of material. As you can see, the gearbox, the transmission, you can see this is heap of material is there on the top. Some sort of you can say a pile of material is placed on. And here on the sides also, here is, this is the pipe, this is the railing pipe, and just see this material. So these are full of material. Cleaning is a must. In such situations, cleaning is required. Here is the motor switch which we just cleaned. It was also full of material. This is the local switch or service switch, it is known. So the number is also mentioned on. So such type of situations, such kind of situation you can very easily observe in the industry where the cleaning is not perfect. So such a kind of situation we can see. The system is way too dirty. We will complain about, and this will be cleaned. Hopefully this will be cleaned. Friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe on my channel, press on bell icon so you will get notifications for each upload. Thank you for watching.